Let's talk about it. Since everybody in a bald-headed ass mama got something to say about Dank. First of all, let's touch bases on a big back that got something to say about me. I seen a bitch say go walk. Cool. Like you only like one burger away from being my size. Like y'all hoes got me fucked up. Stop calling yourself a BBW, hoe. Cause you not. Other BBWs don't put other BBWs down. Second of all, I never contacted Lyft. Then y'all talking about, oh, she posted a video for clout. I am the fucking clout. I've been doing this shit a long time. I posted this video because y'all got us fucked up. Y'all always trying to put big people in a fucking category. Oh, big people this or big da-da-da-da or big da-da-da. Stop doing that shit. Y'all want us to be in a fucking house, miserable, bored. Oh, cover up or da-da-da-da-da-da.
Y'all, this 489-pound woman, who goes by the name Dank Demos, is seeking millions in damages for discrimination after her ride was declined a few days ago. Dank isn't holding back. She's going up against an entire company. And y'all, we gotta talk about this. So grab your popcorn and let's get into it.
What makes you think I can't fit in a car?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What makes you think I can't fit in this car?
Because the car is small in the back. Believe
My best friend has a Benz that's newer than this that I can fit in. That's the same size.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't.
So you really telling me I'm too big to get in your car, so I gotta order another Lyft?
Yeah. And to be more specific with you, I got very tired tires.
What I got to do with your tires?
Yeah, and you have no space.
How you know I don't have no space?
Yeah, I got no space in the back.
How do you know I don't have no space?
Because I tried before.
Huh?
Because I've been in this situation.
So every big person you turn down because they can't fit in your car?
Yeah, because they need to order the Uber XL. It's called.
No, I don't never have to order an Uber XL.
Y'all, this 29-year-old rapper just went viral after ordering a Lyft, only for the driver to turn her down because of her weight. According to the driver, he refused to take Dank because he was worried about his tires, claiming they would be affected if she got in. But that's not all. He also said he'd been in this exact situation before, and after picking up a passenger as big as Dank, his car was never the same. And to make things even worse, he had the audacity to tell her to order a bigger car. After this whole experience, Dank said she felt not only humiliated, but also deeply scarred. According to her, she stayed indoors for days, trying to process what had happened. She even missed the football watch party at her cousin's house because she felt so bad. And because of that, she decided to sue the company for discrimination. When Lyft saw they were going viral over what happened between Dank and their driver, they quickly stepped in with an apology under Dank's post, saying, "We are disheartened by this driver's unacceptable behavior. Please DM us at your earliest convenience for additional support. We'd like to address this as soon as possible." But according to Dank, the damage was already done. And even though the driver allegedly lost his job, she still wanted more. According to Dank's lawyers, this situation was just as bad as a driver refusing to carry a black man or a Christian. But that wasn't all. Dank's lawyer also stated, refusing someone transportation based on their weight is not only illegal, but dangerous. Imagine the consequences if Miss Blanding had been unable to seek shelter after the driver left her stranded. This could have ended much worse than it did. Now, a lot of people had different views on the issue. For many, Dank and her lawyers were taking the whole situation too far, especially since Lyft had already apologized and even fired the driver. To them, Dank was focusing on the wrong thing instead of taking this as a cue to work on being healthier. But that wasn't all. They also felt like she was just using this incident as a way to blow up, since no one even knew she was a rapper. However, some felt differently and rallied behind her, claiming she did the right thing. Now, some people also talked about how it seemed Dank was just being delusional about the whole situation. To them, she was trying to impose her weight on the driver, knowing full well that he was telling her the truth. Many people even referenced a video Dank made some time ago, where she confessed that in her mind, she wasn't that big, and because of that, she did things she ordinarily had no business doing.
My body right now, is like my mind don't know that I'm this big. My mind does not know that I'm this big. So I be feeling like I can do everything. So when I walk in the gym, I feel like I'm fit. Or like if I'm trying to do certain shit, I feel like I could do it. And then I be like, damn, I can't do this shit. But in my head, I'm like, damn, I could do that, so I'm gonna walk over there. I be going in the gym in front of all those people, 500 pounds in shorts, no shirt. Well, I have on a sports bra, but you know.
But y'all, what's your take on this whole drama between Dank and the Lyft driver? Do you think the driver was out of line, or is Dank just chasing clout? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to drop a like on this video and hit that follow button so you never miss the latest tea on your favorite celebrities.